Hello students, myself Kushali Satpute. Again welcome to Shram Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, our 5th standard subject 11 and chapter family values. In previous lecture, we learned some subtopics like role in decision making. Means we learned how we express our thinking. Okay, then next we learn advantages and disadvantages of role in decision making. Also we learn effect of honest and dishonest behavior. So in this lecture we have to learn remaining two subtopics. First one is tolerance and second one is equality. You see in your book I will explain these two subtopics. Now see students, first subtopic is tolerance. What is mean of tolerance? Tolerance is respecting opinions of others which are different from our own opinion. Students, everyone has same opinion? No. Everyone's opinion is different in many times. So, tolerance is respecting opinions of others which are different from our own opinion. Means, suppose we accept other differences. So students, see here, we all have some faults. Means students, every person's everything is always correct? No, we all have some faults. We can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. Students, when our thinking is faulty and we know about our that fault, then we can solve or we can improve this fault with the help of our friends and family. We may not agree with each other every time. You learn already. Everyone's thinking is always same? No. Means always we not agree with each other. Then sometimes there are disagreements even between friends. Not only with family but also with friends. Our thinking is same? No. Sometimes there are disagreement even with also friends. At such a time we must, students, at such times we must try to understand the point of view of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. On such occasions we must listen to the other person. In this way we learn to be tolerant. Students, is everyone who doesn't think like me or wrong person? No. Respecting people and their opinions irrespective of their color, caste, religion, gender, age and also any other physical quality is called tolerance. Do you understand about tolerance? Okay. Students, people belonging to various religions, creeds, culture and following different customs live in our country. Diversity enriches our social life. Students, only family and our family and our friends are our life? No. Diversity enriches our social life. The same can be preserved by tolerance. We can solve our societal problems by being tolerant. And so, here I explain you family value tolerance. Do you understand up to tolerance? Students, tolerance and cooperation make our community life harmonious and peaceful. A tolerant attitude makes it easy to preserve diversity. Here we learn about tolerance. Then our next family value, gender equality. Gender equality. So students, what does gender equality mean? What is mean of gender equality? Gender equality is when people of all genders have equal rights, responsibilities and opportunity. Students, take example of men and women. If men and women have equal rights, responsibilities and opportunities, then there is equality between men and women, means gender equality. Everyone is affected by gender inequality. Women, men, trans and gender diverse people, children and families. So students, see here. Boys and girls or men and women are equal as human beings. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. Means here a definition of gender equality is given. Boys and girls must respect one another. In the company of our friends, we consider all of them to be our equals. We must maintain this sense of equality as citizens when we grow up. Means, to help, we have produced 7 best practice tips for promoting equality and combating workplace discrimination. Means students, at every place in today's life, boys and girls are same, means their responsibility, their work is same. Also, women are equal to men in their work, in their responsibilities. Okay, so listen these 7 best practice tips. Identify and prevent unconscious bias. Then second, put equality policies in place. Mind your language. Use objective criteria. Be proactive. Get advice if needed. And watch out for indirect discrimination. Do you understand up to here? Okay. Now students, see here. By developing this sense of equality, everyone gets to learn and make progress. Food, clothing, shelter, health and education are the common needs of men and women. For the purpose of equality, each of these needs must be fulfilled properly. Men and women have equal rights to facilities such as these. Similarly, men and women must get equal opportunity of progress. Means students, in our today's life, regular life, food, clothing, shelter, health and education are common needs of every person or every human beings. Means like men and women. Means there gender equality in men and women about food, clothing, shelter, health and education. Means students, men and women have equal rights to facilities. Means men and women must get equal opportunity of progress. So tell me, how does gender equality affect the world? Listen student, globally women have favor opportunities for economic participation than men, less access to basic and higher education, greater health and safety risks and also less political representation. So, there are many importance about gender equality, which equality is about ensuring that every individual has an equal opportunity to make the most of their lives and talents. And it is also the belief that no one should have poorer life chances because of the way they were born, where they come from, what they believe or whether they have a disability. Means students, in this lecture we learn how men and women, also boys and girls are equal in their some common needs, also responsibilities, also opportunities of progress. Okay student, means in this lecture we learn about 2 subtopics, tolerance and gender equality. So in next lecture. Means here our chapter is over. Our chapter number 5, family value, is over. So in next lecture we will solve the exercise of this chapter. Means exercise of chapter depend on family values. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.